Welcome to my jersey horizontal template. I want to give you a brief demonstration of what this can do. This template has an awesome motto of proud to wear, and then you're going to list your team colors. For example, that blue and gold, or you could put a motto in here, your team name. It can be whatever you like. So for example, if my team was blue and white, I could highlight my text, change out the text color, switch out the yellows to white. And then when I'm ready to insert my own new team, I can decide between a layer of foreground fog that helps hide their feet, or I can shut that off and I can turn on a layer that allows me to show their feet. So if I shut off the sample team here and drag a new team in there, drag and drop them, position them where I want them to go. If you do this, you're going to have to work on adding something like these reflections or shadows. But it's completely flexible and allows you to show those feet if you want them. And then if you're using different sports, there's a bunch of different sports textures that go in the background here. So for example, here's a volleyball team, here's a cheer option, and there's multiple sports included with each of these jersey series templates. There's even different lights depending on if the stadium lights fit your team or the light rays. There's a full tutorial that'll show you how to customize and change all these layers to fit your team. And as with all Game Changer templates, you can print multiple sizes. So you can print 4x6s, 5x7s, 8x10s, 12x18s, all the way up to 10-foot banners with this template.